Well, hello and welcome back, everybody. Okay, so what I have for this video was this little quadcopter here with its roll cage. It ended up breaking up in this one spot, so we decided to 3D print one of these side pieces so it can properly have the roll cage. Now it's currently not 100% fixed because we need to find some parts, because they lost one of the gear sets on the bottom here and the propeller, and we don't have any of this size. Now I kind of wanted to see if I could 3D print one of the gears, so let's see if we can design one in Fusion 360. So alright, see you then. Okay, so now that we're in Fusion 360 and it's all been drawn up and all that stuff, it's all there, and as you can see, it's just this really simple shape, just a circle. It's like lines are cut through and stuff. Alright, so now that it's done, I don't know, there's not much to talk about it. It's all, I've already 3D printed it and everything, so we have that. So yeah, I don't know. It didn't take that long to design. Pretty easy. Got it glued on there. Sorry I didn't record the printing of it. Can't record everything. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and check out any of my other videos. It really helps out the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted. I posted a video yesterday or whatever, Saturday. So yeah, have a good one.